DriveWorks is used by engineers, non-technical staff, distributors, and customers alike to automate the redesign of SOLIDWORKS models on any device. Imagine your customers browsing your products online, configuring them to their exact needs, and producing unique manufacturing information within minutes. DriveWorks is sold and supported by over 100 SOLIDWORKS resellers worldwide. Our technology is used daily by hundreds of companies around the world, and our solutions are scalable, from entry-level design automation with DriveWorks Express, all the way to the web as an online 3D configurator with DriveWorks Pro. You can integrate your DriveWorks output data into other company systems such as ERP, CRM, and SOLIDWORKS EPDM. DriveWorks is designed to be simple to use. First, there is the setup of a DriveWorks project. This can be split into 3 steps. To start, you capture the information that you would like to control. This can be anything from SOLIDWORKS information to sales documentation. Next, you design the user interface. This is what the person using your DriveWorks project will see. With DriveWorks, your UI can have beautiful form and flawless function. Finally, the user interface and the output data must be connected. You can do this using DriveWorks rules. Our easy-to-use rule builder makes creating complex rules simple. Once you've set up your project, you can make it available internally to your sales team and engineers, or externally to your customers and distributors. They can then run DriveWorks, allowing them to create custom designs. So let's take a brief look at DriveWorks in use. Here, we're using our online demo site, configuremyproduct.com. This site shows how DriveWorks can be used within a standard website. Selections are made to configure the specification of our scissor lift. The user can then click to preview the model in 3D. When this button is clicked, the information from the web is sent to SOLIDWORKS, where the model is changed. It is then saved as a web-friendly 3D file and sent back to the device. Once the user is happy with their quote, they can click Finish. At this point, DriveWorks generates the models and creates the relevant manufacturing information. It will also create sales documents and write data to the relevant company systems. All of this functionality is possible with DriveWorks Pro. Contact your SOLIDWORKS reseller.